Hey, good morning. I'm going to show you a couple of things I did yesterday that I think are kind of interesting. So this is my Desert X. I'm currently replacing the exhaust system and decatting it. I'm using the Shift-Tech decat pipe and their muffler, and the ECU is off at Shift-Tech getting reflashed to work well with the muffler. Process, I pulled off the front wheel because I was curious. I had heard that it was light. I've had the wheel off before, and I thought, yes, it's pretty light, but I didn't know how much. So I took the wheel off the bike and weighed the wheel, and it was 22 pounds. Now this has got a Pirelli Rally ST-R 90, 190, 21 tire on it, and that's between 9 and 10 pounds. So that makes this a 12-pound wheel with 2 discs and cross spokes and a big hub. I honestly, God, don't know how they did that. That is a remarkably light front wheel. There's a fellow on Mosko Moto's Facebook group who has, from Vietnam, and I think his first name is Hoang, but I'm not sure. I previously mounted his quick release mounts for aux pocs for the Mosko Moto auxiliary pockets on my crash bar. I've ordered another set of mounts from him because I want to see if I can do a little better job of tucking those auxiliary pockets in. But let me show you what I'm up to here. So this is my Husqvarna 701, and this is the 40-liter Mosko Moto rackless luggage, which I love. But this is what I use now. So you can see these auxiliary pockets are mounted on on the frame of, this is a Venasci tail reinforcement system. It's intended as kind of a very simple, minimal mount for side bags. I bought it because Husqvarna's, the gas tank is, the subframe is a gas tank. It's plastic. It's not particularly strong. This mount stiffens the back, which is what I bought it for. But these are the quick mount brackets that Hoang makes, and they're pretty cool. And they allow me to do something that I kind of always wanted to do. So this bag contains all the stuff I need to fix a flat or do any kind of basic repair. All that is in here, along with a spare tube, a little tire compressor, plug kits, patch kits. This all fits into an aux poc, and now this aux poc goes into this quick release bracket, and that's it. So I can transfer this from one bike to another quickly, no problem. And interestingly, my Beta has an R10 aux poc, an R10 reckless, which means the bags, the holsters, are 5 liters. So they hold this complete Aux Poc, including the holster and the quick release, no problem. So I can transfer my stuff to this bike and still have the tail bag for clothing or camping gear. So, and the other thing I have on here is, of course, my first aid kit. So I carry a very complete first aid kit, and now I can carry it all the time on whatever bike I'm on. I'm going to do this. So I will put a new bracket set. You can see that's firmly in there, down low, doesn't interfere with the luggage, doesn't sit too far out. What this lets me do is just release the bottom straps to fill up with gas. So, but these side pockets here that I'm going to carry all the time, that's all my first aid equipment, all my tire repair and general repair equipment, which leaves my bags empty. I can, this can be all camping gear, all clothing, even my tank bag, which I used to carry my compressor in, is now empty except for the water. So I have lots of capacity with relatively light luggage. And this stuff is held so far down and so compactly and tightly that it doesn't interfere with the riding to any measurable degree. I can't tell the difference.